Welcome to my channel. My name is Tom. This video is on a roof drain leak. I'm going to take you along, show you what I found and how I fixed it. Okay, so this I'm going to leave it. 6-inch roof drain leak until the time that the plumbers can come and take a look at the drain for the flat roof. So I made myself a leak diverter. So the 6-inch drain pipe is insulated. I put a screw just in the insulation to give a place for the water to drip off, and I set up the curtain to divert the water into a trash can. Here are some pictures of water damage to ceilings and walls. It's really critical to get after these water leaks right away to prevent mold, mildew, and further, destruction of your walls and ceilings. This will save you a lot of money. This job really got escalated, so I wanted to come in early and see if there's anything I could find for the source of the leak. The pipe is insulated for two reasons. One is for sound deadening, so you don't hear the water running, and two, to prevent condensation around the pipe when it's humid. So the pipe insulation is wet still, all the way up to the roof line. So I'm going to go ahead and remove some of it so I can actually see the pipe and the connections. In the picture coming up here, you can see the rubber boot. That's a reducer connecting the bottom of the bowl of the roof drain and PVC pipe. I did find the bands loose, and I'm about to show you what I did to fix the problem. Really, how could it be that loose? But it is. Alright, first time touching this. I am going to see if it'll tighten. Sure will. Looks like I'm gonna get a couple turns out of it. So that was loose. Look at that. See the flex? So the whole pipe's moving. Actually, that's so loose, it should be able to, I don't know if I take it off or just tighten it. I can feel air coming through here too. Can't say for sure. Most likely it was just leaking through here. Through here. So tighten it up. Here you can see some water coming down. This drawing is very similar to my existing roof drain. It's time to do a water test. Alright, I got the water hose set up next to the roof drain. I'll turn on the water and then get underneath in the building and check for leaks. That's my 5-inch roof drain right there. That's right, there's no water source at the roof for cleaning or anything, so I'm going to drop a garden hose down the wall and connect to a bib there. It's been about 15 minutes of running water, and the pipe is dry. It's cold because there's cold water coming down, but so the strap was loose. I tightened them both up. This one was super loose. I could put my fingers down in it. I am 100% confident that this repair is complete. Now we got the water stopped, we got to dry out the walls. So I cut some holes in the bottom of the walls there. Leave the ceiling tiles open for a few days and let it dry out and come and test before we put it back together. Of course, there are going to be other issues with roof drains causing them to leak. You know, you could have cast iron pipe that's has corrosion and it's leaking through, or PVC pipe like I had, cracked and fatigued, leaking through. You could have flashing problems around the top of near the roof drain. But that was not the case today. Ours was just a pipe connection on the outlet on the roof drain to the pipe. Loose straps. Tighten them up, no more leak.
If you made it to the end of this video, how about smashing that like button? See you on the next one.